still piece of iron if that they ever
Cut you.
if that they ever catch me for cut me.
Come.
Can't leave a leg on me.
Gotcha. Me think I run with me. I'm telling you, me think I run here like we normally run across the road.
I always hope we had
No,
cross the road.
we always run.
Yeah, but your leg big up.
We have to walk around the story and walk.
Yeah, walk around.
Fine. You can just cut shortcut. When the roll is still up yonder. We have a crew. Coach. So, guys, we are over. We signed it. We pass the sign. So, people, we are at the next location. Sun is very hot. My mind. So, and it's summer in Jamaica, so it's gonna be hot. So, it's time for you foreign people, Canada, England, and we don't like Nissan, so nobody look over this.
No, nobody
See, but I see a pin here, I want them away here. We don't like them.
different.
So, we don't like Nissan.
No dropping off.
We are by over here, so. No, I know.
I think it's now what is more costly.
Sure. I'll carry my sponsor.
No, but because we have to do information.
So what? You work on the tree. Yes, send them to Colleen.
Come on, come take the pictures now.
Hello, how are you? I'm doing fine. Just wanted to know how much is it to go on the Green Grotto for
220 euros or 2,660 Jamaican dollars. So we have a special offer once each of you can present a Jamaican breakfast.
This is the first time here, so.
you want to become a today?
Go on the tour. Now try. We need to prepare. You have a passport?
Yeah, I didn't carry because last time we people them.
No problem.
Oh, okay.
You want to go now?
What's the cost?
$1,000.
$1,000 each?
So that would be 2,000 for the both of you.
Okay. With a special discount?
That's a special.
That is
Oh, that's.
I told you now, listen there
We not- we
first.
not-
2000.
Not focusing on
2000.
the other price.
Right.
Mm.
2020 or 2200?
2006.
2006 a regular price.
Okay.
Every day.
Alright, no problem.
Today, or the special we didn't have one.
Alright.
Alright, look at this side, okay? Look at this side. Hi guys. We are at a different location. We are in the same clothes that we were in the last vlog.
Because it's the same day.
Because it's the same day. So we have decided to go on a Green Grotto cave tour.
Because of a discount, you have to let them know that.
Yes, there is a special offer today.
If you need to, yeah, that's alright. You can go for and show it to your customer.
No video when you go inside.
You can do it. Or a photo, no problem. Alright.
Once you're up here.
Yes. Alright.
Yes. Alright, so there is a special going on. You can present for driver's license or ID, any form of identification to say that you're a Jamaican, then you will get $1,000 per person. So I don't think I'm going to pass upon that deal because we're not even sure if when we're going to get it time to like
Do it again.
do it again.
Yes.
I understand, so it makes sense to do it.
It's available now. Yes. So,
We're going to do that. We
And-
cannot bring our cameras.
but I'm gonna sneak it anyway. However,
We can take pictures there, but no video.
They wouldn't know that. Because me going to let me take picture of you.
Guys, I'm just telling you what was taken.
Okay, so
But you don't know.
yes guys, so what I want you to do guys is just to start commenting,
Yes.
start subscribing if you are new, and remember guys to feel comfortable and ask us questions. Rakisha mash up my tripod people.
So guys, ensure that you like this video, comment, subscribe before we even go on into the tour.
See you there. Yeah, so see you there.
Yay, how exciting.
You might need
No,
a,
but so that nothing falls on our heads. Oh, I see. So,
Hard hats are for the taller person, so the shorter persons they don't need it, okay?
no.
Sanitation person. You scan your wristband? Your wristband. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, this is the cave. What is it?
It gets quite low.
Careful when you become
Come and look.
actually get here, so
at the Green Grotto Cave. It was really good, especially today being Emancipation Day. It is the perfect place to come to experience, you know, our
Slave
culture,
history. Yeah.
and learn about slave, you know, the history.
Unfortunately, we couldn't take no video inside the cave.
But we have pictures, so we're going to insert all the pictures that we took in this vlog. So hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I would recommend that persons who come to visit Jamaica, you come to visit Green Grotto Cave because it is a very good way to learn about Jamaican culture, Jamaican history, everything that you need to know about, you know, slave history and such and such and such. You can come here. And it was a good day. We spent the day very well, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed. Thumbs up, comment, ensure you subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing.
Yes, and guys, if you want to see us do more Jamaican tour, culture tour, then guys, please suggest it and we will do that for you guys. So thank you guys for this opportunity that we share.
Yeah.
So just want to say thanks again, and thanks for supporting. Keep supporting, and we wish you all the best. You know.
All right. Bye guys.
I'm out.
Love you.